Hi everyone, here's a video for all of you nursing students out there looking for help on dosage calculations and unit conversions. This video is for you, so stay tuned. Our first example says convert 5,000 micrograms to milligrams. So to begin, we're going to write a fraction with the information given. We'll write 5,000 micrograms. And to make a fraction out of that, we simply put it over 1. Okay. What we want to do now is multiply by a value that's equivalent to 1. And here's where our actual unit conversions come into place. So let's set up the units first. You want to make sure your units are opposite each other. That way they cancel. So if we have micrograms on top in our first number, we want to put micrograms on the bottom so that cancels out. And then on top, we want to put what they asked us to find. So milligrams. Now that we have the units all set up, now it's time to write the numbers in. So here's where we will take a look at our table, which hopefully you have this memorized or are working on getting it memorized. We'll take a look at our table so that we can figure out what numbers to write where. We need to compare micrograms to milligrams. So we look on our table and see, is there any way we have those two numbers compare? And we do this right here. 1,000 micrograms equals 1 milligram. So we will need to write those numbers in the right place where we're doing our calculations. So 1,000 micrograms on the bottom and 1 milligram on top. Now that we have it all set up, it's time to multiply. We multiply the top numbers. 5,000 times 1 gives us 5,000. Then we multiply the bottom, 1 times 1,000. So what happens with the units here? Micrograms are going to cancel because 1 was on top and 1 was on the bottom. And then we're just left with milligrams. Now at this point, all we're doing is simplifying or dividing. So 5,000 divided by 1,000 is simple math. The zeros cancel and we're left with 5 milligrams. For our next problem, we're going to convert 44 pounds to kilograms. Following the same easy process, we'll start out with 44 pounds. And making that a fraction, simply put it over 1. Now we need to multiply, right? With our setup, with our units first, we want pounds on top and pounds on bottom. And what we are converting to on top, so kilograms. The next thing we'll do is look up on our table to see, do we have anything that compares pounds to kilograms? And we do. There are 2.2 pounds in every kilogram. So now we'll write the numbers in the appropriate place. 2.2 on the bottom. And 1 kilogram on top. Now that the setup is complete, we're ready to multiply. Top numbers, 44 times 1 will give us 44. And on the bottom, 1 times 2.2 gives us 2.2. So let's go back to the units. Again, the pounds will cancel because we have 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and we'll be left with kilograms. And at this point, we just need to actually simplify and do the math. So 44 divided by 2.2 will give us 20 kilograms. I hope that this video has been helpful for all you nursing students out there doing dosage calculations. If you need any more help with this, please sign up for a one-on-one tutoring session. Our link is described in the description box below. And please share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.